In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subscription website on Shopify in 2024. Whether you're looking to start a subscription box service or offer exclusive content to subscribers, setting up a subscription model on Shopify is a streamlined process that can greatly enhance your business. By following along with this guide, you'll have your subscription site up and running in no time. To get started, you'll first want to head to the settings page within your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all of your store configurations are managed, allowing you to control everything from themes to shipping details. Once there, you'll spot a section labeled Plan. Go ahead and click on it. This section hosts all the information you need about the different plans Shopify offers, ranging from basic to more advanced options, each catering to different business needs and scales. Next, you'll need to select a suitable plan for your subscription website. Click on the Choose Plan button. The decision here is crucial because it determines the features available to you, including critical ones like transaction fees and customer management tools. It's worth taking a moment to read through each plan's specifics to ensure it aligns with your business needs. Once you've made your choice, proceed by selecting that plan. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Ensure your information is accurate before clicking on the Subscribe button to finalize this step. Rest assured, Shopify takes user security seriously, employing robust encryption measures to protect your financial information. With your plan subscribed, you now have full access to your Shopify platform. At this point, you can start creating your subscription website. This step is your opportunity to build a unique online experience for your customers. Shopify offers a range of customizable templates and themes that you can tailor to match your brand's identity. Take your time to explore these options, as they can significantly impact your audience's engagement and satisfaction. And that's essentially it. You've successfully set the foundation for your subscription website on Shopify. From here, you can incorporate various Shopify apps to enhance your site's functionality, like those that manage recurring payments or customer subscriptions. Remember, while Shopify offers powerful tools, your creativity and dedication are the key elements that will make your subscription model successful. With everything now set up, you're ready to start letting your customers experience the value and uniqueness of your new subscription service. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with your venture.